Hello guys, so for this video ay pag-uusapan natin itong product of powers property. So you have here 4 examples. So number 1, we have here a raised to 7 times a raised to 12. So if you multiply po like this, same base po sila, yung base po nila ay a, copy lang po natin. At yung exponent po nila ay i-add lang po natin. So 7 plus 12. So the answer now is a raised to 19. Next, we have c raised to 3, c raised to 8, and c raised to negative 5. Again, same base po sila. Ang base po natin ay si c. Copy lang natin si c, tapos yung mga exponent, add lang natin. So, 3 plus 8 plus negative 5. So, the answer is c raised to 6. The next one ay ito. So, 9 times x raised to 10 times y raised to 3 multiplied by negative x raised to 5 and y raised to 3. So, ang gagawin natin ay i-multiply po natin sila isa-isa. So, 9 times the negative. So, meron po yung 1 dyan. So, that is now negative 9. Tapos, same base. So, same base lang po yung i-multiply natin. So, si x dito, may x dyan. Copy lang natin si x. Tapos, yung exponent ni x, which is 10 and 5. So, i-add natin. And the next one is si y. So, may same base tayo. Y, copy natin. At yung exponent ni y, ayan, i-add lang po natin. So, the answer now is negative 9x raised to 15 times y raised to 6. So, the next one po is 2 times d raised to 7. Tapos, i-multiply natin kay negative 4 times d raised to 9 and times d raised to 5. So, ngayon po, i-multiply natin siya isa-isa. Itong 2, i-multiply natin kay negative 4. So, 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Tapos, yung d, ayan, makikita nyo, same base siya. Copy lang natin si d. Tapos, yung mga exponent niya, kasi nga multiplication to, i-add lang po natin sila. So, 7 plus 9 plus 5. So, our answer now is negative 8d raised to 21.